In this tutorial, you'll learn how to upload a zip file to a GitHub. To begin, sign in to your GitHub account. Enter your username and password, or choose to sign in quickly with your Google account for convenience. Next, select your email address, then click the New button at the top right to start working with your repositories. Now, open your desired repository. Click Add File, and then select the Upload Files option to prepare for uploading your zip file. To select your zip file, drag it into the Upload area or click Choose Your Files to browse. Select your zip and click Open to confirm your selection. Once the file appears in the Upload section, click on it if needed, then press Commit Changes to upload the file to your repository. After it's uploaded, select your zip file in the repository to view its details. Use the View Raw link to access the direct download page. To download, click the download icon and then use the View button for quick access to the file once the download is complete. Finally, when you're finished, minimize the window to keep your workspace tidy. You've successfully learned how to upload and manage a zip file on GitHub.